Hello, everyone. Welcome to Universal English Guide, where learning English is simple, clear, and enjoyable. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Liam. Hello, everyone. We're really happy to have you here today.
Today, we are going to talk about the most embarrassing moment of my life. You will learn easy English words, simple sentences, and we will practice together slowly.
Yes, everyone feels embarrassed sometimes, so this lesson is very useful for daily English.
First, let's understand the word embarrassing.
Something is embarrassing when you feel shy, uncomfortable, or awkward in front of other people.
Now, repeat slowly after me. Embarrassing. Embarrassing. Together. Embarrassing.
Now let's practice a very common sentence. The most embarrassing moment of my life was...
Repeat slowly. The most embarrassing moment of my life was... Together. The most embarrassing moment of my life was... Now I will share my embarrassing story.
Listen carefully.
One day, I had an important interview.
Repeat slowly. I had an important interview. Together. I had an important interview.
I was very nervous, but excited.
Repeat slowly. I was very nervous, but excited. Together. I was very nervous, but excited.
I arrived early and walked into an office building.
Repeat slowly. I arrived early and walked into an office building. Together. I arrived early and walked into an office building.
I sat down and waited.
Repeat slowly. I sat down and waited. Together. I sat down and waited.
After a few minutes, a person looked at me and asked a question.
Repeat slowly. A person looked at me and asked a question. Together. A person looked at me and asked a question.
Then I realized I was in the wrong office.
Repeat slowly. I was in the wrong office. Together. I was in the wrong office.
Everyone started looking at me.
Repeat slowly. Everyone started looking at me. Together. Everyone started looking at me.
I felt very embarrassed.
Repeat slowly. I felt very embarrassed. Together. I felt very embarrassed.
My face became red.
Repeat slowly. My face became red. Together. My face became red.
I said sorry and stood up.
Repeat slowly. I said sorry and stood up. Together. I said sorry and stood up.
I said, I'm sorry, I made a mistake.
Repeat slowly. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Together. I'm sorry, I made a mistake.
Then I left the office quickly.
Repeat slowly. I left the office quickly. Together. I left the office quickly. That is very embarrassing, but it happens to everyone.
Yes, now I can laugh about it.
Now I will share my embarrassing moment.
Yes, go ahead.
One day I waved at someone in public.
Repeat slowly. I waved at someone. Together. I waved at someone.
But the person was not waving at me.
Repeat slowly. The person was not waving at me. Together. The person was not waving at me.
I felt very awkward.
Repeat slowly. I felt very awkward. Together. I felt very awkward. Now let's practice a short conversation together. Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Together. Hello, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Together. I'm fine, thank you.
Have you ever felt embarrassed? Have you ever felt embarrassed? Together. Have you ever felt embarrassed?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Together. Yes, I have.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Speak slowly and clearly.
The most embarrassing moment of my life was...
Take your time. Practice every day.
Embarrassing moments help us learn.
Do not be afraid to make mistakes.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video.
Subscribe to Universal English Guide for more easy English lessons.
Comment below and share your embarrassing story.
Share this video with your friends and keep practicing English.
Thank you for learning with us. See you next time.